Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, and she's also doing her BMS. Pramukha, over to you.
My name is Promita, which means a person who is always alert. And like Bharat sir said, I'm doing my grad from CBS. And as I stand here today, I'm reminded of the famous lines by the poet Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. And miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. In our last meeting, Siddharth said that if we don't set standards for ourselves, someone else will. This principle is a part and parcel of my life story as well. I've been here once or twice, and some impression about me must have been formed in your minds. Now let's bring to light the part of me you haven't seen so far. Born at Allahabad and brought up in Noida, my childhood has been a very sweet experience for me. Growing up listening to fairy tales, Indian mythological stories, singing nursery rhymes with my maternal grandmother, all of these things have enriched my life and made me what I am today. Now I'll come to a phase in a child's life that generally all children are scared of entering into initially. That is the school. I studied in Somerville School, Noida, a Baptist missionary school, and as a kid, I always hesitated from waking up in the morning and leaving the comfort of my home. Chocolate used to be a bribe for me to go to school back then, and since that time, it has sustained a pure chocoholic like me. In school, I was a very active figure, participating in competitions right from nursery, and being a teacher's daughter, I was taught to always be the ideal pupil, and I lived up to that expectation most of the time. I participated in recitation competitions as a kid, and then anchoring events and debating as the head girl later has definitely given a boost to my confidence and has helped me become stage free from the very beginning. And come my parents. Right from the start, I've been given great encouragement by them for doing what I love to do. Be it spending afternoons making cards, painting diyas, planting saplings in the garden. And they've inculcated in me the values of head and heart. And they've helped me become a principled being from the beginning that has enabled me to come out as a person deeply rooted to my culture and tradition. On looking back, I am also amazed at how my faith and belief in God has grown, where I've transformed from being a person who didn't really take the matter of faith seriously to being one who now has a firm belief in God, and I'm even inclined towards spirituality and devotional songs. Music, unconditional love for dogs, fascination of chocolates, particularly the Swiss and Belgian ones, the German luxury car Audi, and traveling to places with scenic beauty and otherwise too are some of the elements that add more color to my life. I am a trained keyboardist and I enjoy playing old Hindi songs on my keyboard. I am also a person who, once charmed and intrigued by a song, will keep listening to it again and again till the time it is memorized by heart. My four-legged friends take up a large part of my heart and mind too. And volunteering for helping dogs and animals is a social cause that I enjoy and look forward to work for. Having been associated with SPCA Noida has made me more determined to achieve my dream of having a home for dogs with the best of healthcare and other facilities that can be provided. Apart from these colorful elements, I've been a girl who, as a teenager, had a crush on the Hollywood actor Zac Efron. Any of you heard of him? Zac Efron? No one. And the walls of my room would be full of his posters. I even remember quizzing with a classmate of mine as to who knew more about him. Curiosity, eagerness to learn and experience new things is a constant feature of mine. I remind myself every time that life is too short to regret not having said or done things that you wanted to do. So I am on the path of improving and facing things confidently as they come by. There are people from my family, my teachers, Siddharth being one of them, and a few friends of mine who guide me and inspire me towards this endeavor, and they are the people I always look up to. I am thankful to God for having surrounded me with such beautiful people who make my life vibrant and colorful, and for having 1,000 reasons to go on happily forever. We live only once, but if completely, once is enough. Thank you.